Let's have a look at another useful function that will be extremely useful for you and will speed up your work, which is called Sumproduct. So please open file attached to the lecture, which is called Sumproduct function empty. And here you have in the master sheet a table of content. We'll do now two things. So first of all, I will show you how to use the Sumproduct to calculate certain things faster. And also we will talk about how to use Sumproduct to calculate the weighted average. So let's go first and try to calculate revenues faster. So in the case of revenues we want to calculate, we got them divided by types of products. And obviously we have quantity and prices. So in the terms of the products we have got shoes, t-shirts, then socks. So if we wanted to calculate the revenue in the traditional way, we would have to multiply the number of shoes we are selling by the prices, add to that number of t-shirts that we have sold and multiply it by prices, and finally add socks and multiply them by the price at which we sell. So obviously it is time consuming, and let's see how we would do that in a traditional manner. So I would have to multiply the quantity by the price for the first product, then exactly the same for the t-shirts, and finally for the socks. It takes some time, but here we have just 3 products. Imagine that you have, for example, 100 products. It would take you ages. So I can also the very same thing do using the Sumproduct function. I simply type in Sumproduct. Then he asks me to tell him what I'm gonna multiply. So I want to multiply the first 3 elements by the second 3 elements. Between them, obviously, I have to put the semicolon, and you press enter and you get exactly the same result as we did here. But as you can see, it is much faster. And most of all, it is scalable. So if you have 100 products, you can easily do that with this very short function.